Hello everybody from Nefficar. My name is Tenzin and I still see so many journalists using wired microphones to perform their interviews and reporting. Trust me, I know how hard it is to carry on with that. So I think it could have been much better if you have a microphone which is wireless and can be connected to any kind of devices to record your voices. So today I present you Nefficar wireless vocal microphone. This microphone is very handy to use, especially for news reporters who have to walk around reporting live events. The microphone can be easily connected to your smartphones, laptops or DSLRs, which I'm doing right now. If I talk about its compatibility, it's compatible with DSLRs and most of the smartphones including Redmi, Samsung and iPhones. To connect it to phones and laptops, you need an extra adapter which is 6.5mm to 3.5mm TRS converter adapter, which you have to buy separately. I'll provide a link in the description. To use it specifically on a phone, I would suggest you to download Open Camera app. In the app, go to settings. After that, click on video settings and finally click on audio source and choose external mic as the final option. And there you're good to go. The best thing about this microphone is it records a clear, crisp, raw audio, which actually feels good to hear. Let's go open the product box. In the box, we have a microphone which has a compartment for two 1.5 volt batteries. With the two batteries, the microphone can hold on for more than 6 hours. A receiver which is to be connected to the device, a 3.5mm pin adapter with the help of which you can connect the receiver to a DSLR, a USB cable to charge the receiver. The receiver, once fully charged, can be made to work for more than 6 hours. Finally, a rubber piece to give it a fancy look or use it as a holder for the mic. I would also suggest you to buy this kind of wind muff which could help you reduce the surrounding noise or the wind effect. So finally, if you found this product interesting, if you're willing to buy, I'll provide all the links in the description. Make sure you check it out right now. Peace.